Hi, my name is Joe. I want to do a quick video testimonial for Chris Sutton at Carpet MD. So Chris and his crew over at Carpet MD are top of the line carpet cleaners in the Forest Grove, Portland, Oregon area. And what I want to say is what they really are excel at. Not only do they do amazing cleaning, but they also excel at customer service. So I know Chris Sutton personally. I've been working with him for about 5 years now, the owner, Chris Sutton. And I can tell you one thing, this guy cares about his employees and he cares about his clients. So if you're looking for somebody that actually cares about the work they're doing, then I would highly recommend you call Carpet MD, because these guys will take care of you. Now I have to say, they're not the cheapest guys in town. They're not going to get in, get out, and then charge you the lowest price in town. It's not that type of company. There's a lot of budget carpet cleaners around the area. These guys take care of their clients, so they charge accordingly. And so if you're looking for top of the line, if you're looking for high quality cleaning and excellent customer service, people that return phone calls, that do what they say they're going to do, stuff like that, then you need to definitely work with Chris Sutton at Carpet MD. Once again, my name is Joe Burnich. Thanks.